Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover Facebook Lite password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in Open Facebook Lite application. At the login form page of Facebook Lite, you can see the option of mobile number or email and password. You go in for providing your registered mobile number or email. As we are going to recover our password, we need to click on the link given, that is forgot password. You tap on it. Here I got two Facebook account with my registered phone number. You go in for selecting any of your account. Here the verification code will be sent to your given phone number. So for that you need to tap on continue. As I have already received the code, now here you need to enter your Facebook code. After you are done, you tap on continue. Now here you need to choose or you need to provide a new password for your account. Here you also can log out from other device by tapping on it. As I'm going to skip it, you need to tap on change password. And with that, my Facebook Lite password has been changed. Now you can get logged in into your Facebook account with the recent password. This is how you can recover your Facebook Lite password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover Facebook Lite password. Thank you.